Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here today for this quick 12-minute quiet cardio session. It's completely low impact and perfect if you're dealing with sensitive knees or just need a workout you can do without making a lot of noise. We'll get your heart rate up, break a light sweat, and feel amazing afterward. All you need is a little bit of space. Let's start with a nice, easy warm-up. Let's begin with some gentle butt kicks. Just bring your heel up toward your glute. We're not jumping, just alternating legs at a comfortable pace. Think about warming up the hamstrings, the back of your legs. Keep your chest lifted and your core engaged. Nice and easy. Let's do this for about 30 seconds. This is all about preparing the body for the work to come, getting the blood flowing. Just a few more seconds here. Good. Now, let's move into some high knees, but again, we're marching, not jumping. Lift one knee up toward your chest, then the other. Pull your belly button in to support your lower back. Your arms can pump gently by your sides, just like you're marching. Feel that stretch in your hips and the activation in your core. We're waking up the hip flexors and getting our heart rate to climb just a little bit. 30 seconds here as well. Great job. Keep it steady. Okay, let's finish our warm-up with some torso twists. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Gently twist your upper body from side to side. Let your arms swing loosely. This is wonderful for mobilizing the spine and warming up our core. We're not forcing anything, just a nice, fluid motion. Let your head follow your shoulders. We'll be using our core throughout the workout, so this is a great way to get it ready. A few more twists and relax. All right, warm-up is done. I hope you're feeling a little warmer. We're moving into our first workout block. We have 3 exercises, 45 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds of rest. Let's get ready for our first move, side-to-side steps with a punch. Here we go. Step to the right. And as you do, punch across your body with your left arm. Then step to the left and punch with your right arm. Find a rhythm that works for you. The bigger your step, the more you'll feel it in your glutes and inner thighs. The punch adds a great cardio element and works your core. Keep your knees soft as you step. We're keeping this quiet and low impact. No jumping at all. Breathe through it. You've got this. We're over halfway there. Keep that energy up. Punch with intention. Just 10 more seconds. Stay strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Shake it out. 15 seconds of rest isn't long, so catch your breath. Our next exercise is a standing crossbody crunch. Get ready. Let's begin. Stand on your left leg and bring your right knee up toward your left elbow. Then switch left knee to right elbow. It's a standing crunch motion. The key here is to really squeeze your abs as you bring your knee to your elbow. You can lightly touch your hands behind your head or keep them at your chest. This is fantastic for your obliques and your balance. If you feel a little wobbly, that's okay. Just focus on a spot in front of you. Squeeze that core. We're working hard now. 15 seconds to go. Keep that control. No need to rush. Quality over quantity. 5 more seconds and rest. Well done. 1 more exercise in this block. We're doing a step back with an overhead reach. Ready? Let's go. Step your right foot back and reach both arms straight up overhead. Come back to the start, then step your left foot back and reach. It's a reverse lunge motion, but we're not going deep, just a simple step back. The reach overhead elevates your heart rate and gives you a wonderful stretch through your whole front side. Keep your core tight to protect your back. Find a smooth, continuous pace. Exhale as you reach up. Inhale as you return. You're doing great. We are so close to finishing this first round. 10 seconds left. Keep reaching. Feel that length. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Excellent work. That's 1 round down, 2 to go. We're going back to the top of that circuit. Get ready for our side-to-side steps with a punch. Remember the moves now so you can really focus on your form. Let's go. Step and punch. Step and punch. Maybe you can make your steps a little wider this time, or your punch a little stronger. This is your workout, so challenge yourself in a way that feels good for your body today. Remember to breathe. Don't hold your breath. Keep that rhythm going. Side to side, we are over halfway. This is where we build our endurance. No jumping needed to get a great cardio workout. 10 seconds. Come on, finish strong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Fantastic. Catch your breath. Next up is our standing cross-body crunch. Get your balance. Prepare your core. Let's begin. Right knee to left elbow, left knee to right elbow. Really focus on that abdominal squeeze. Think about pulling your ribcage down toward your hip. This move is all about control. It's not about speed. The slower and more intentional you are, the more you'll feel it in your core. Your standing leg is also working hard to stabilize you, which is great for knee strength. Keep breathing. You're doing so well. Just 15 more seconds. Stay with me. Almost there. 5 seconds and rest. Awesome. One more move in this second round. Step back with an overhead reach. Let's get ready to lengthen and strengthen. And go. Step back. Reach high. Step back. Reach high. Feel that stretch through your ABS and your hip flexors. This is such a functional movement, and it feels so good. Keep your shoulders down and away from your ears even as you reach. Your core is your anchor here. Stay strong and stable. We're building heat now, getting that heart rate up. Less than 20 seconds to go in this round. You can do this. Keep it up. Just 10 more seconds. Final few reaches and rest. 2 rounds complete. Amazing. You have one final round of these 3 exercises. You know exactly what you're doing now. Let's make this our best round yet. Get ready for those side-to-side steps with a punch. Final time. Let's do it. Step and punch. Give it your all. This is your last time doing this exercise today. What can you give? A little more power in that punch. A little more speed in that step, whatever it is, maintain that great form. Keep your knees soft, core engaged. You are strong. You are capable. We are over halfway through. Don't stop now. We're in this together. 10 seconds. Come on. Push through. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. That's it for those. 2 more exercises left in our main workout. Next up, the standing cross-body crunch. Find your focus. Let's get to work. Squeeze that core. Knee to opposite elbow. Challenge your balance. Challenge your core strength. This is an incredible move for toning your midsection without a single sit-up. Exhale with every crunch. Make it powerful. Make it count. This is our final set of these, so stay focused. 15 seconds left. You've got it. Almost there. Give me a few more good reps. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Shake it out. Okay, here we are. The last exercise of our last round. The step back with an overhead reach. Let's finish this strong. And begin. Step back and reach. Feel powerful. Feel tall. This is your final 45 seconds of hard work before we move to our core finisher. Every reach is a victory. Every step is progress. Keep your breathing steady and controlled. Inhale, exhale. You are doing an incredible job. We are almost at the finish line of this circuit. 15 seconds to go. Stay with it right to the very end. Last 10 seconds. Make them count. Reach a little higher and rest. You did it. The main workout is complete. High fives all around. Take a moment to grab a sip of water if you need it. We're not quite done yet. We have a quick 1-minute core finisher on the floor, and then a well-deserved cool down. Let's make our way down to the mat or the floor carefully. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. We're going to do a simple glute bridge. Let's begin. Press through your heels and lift your hips up toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then slowly lower back down. We're going for 1 minute straight. This is a fantastic exercise for strengthening the glutes and hamstrings, which are key muscles for supporting your knees. It also strengthens your lower back. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Squeeze at the top and lower with control. Don't let your hips just drop. We are halfway there. 30 more seconds. Keep breathing. This is a quiet, powerful move. If you want a little more, you can hold the squeeze at the top for an extra second. Just 10 seconds left. Give me a few more good reps. Squeeze and lower. 1 more. Lift, squeeze, and gently lower down. Amazing. Now let's hug both knees into your chest. Gently rock from side to side if that feels good. You've earned this cool down. Let's take some deep breaths here. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Let your heart rate start to come down. Okay, keep your right knee hugged in and extend your left leg long on the floor. Gently pull your right knee towards your right shoulder. You should feel a nice stretch in your hip and glute. Just hold and breathe. No need to force it. Just a gentle, relaxing stretch. Hold for a few more seconds. Now let's switch sides. Extend your right leg long and hug your left knee into your chest. Pull it gently toward your left shoulder. Remember to keep breathing deeply. This is your time to relax and thank your body for all its hard work. Let go of any tension in your shoulders and your jaw. Great! Now bring both feet back to the floor, knees bent. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh, just above the knee, making a figure 4 shape. If this is enough of a stretch, stay here. If you want more, reach through and grab the back of your left thigh, gently pulling it toward you. You should feel this in your right glute and hip. This is a fantastic stretch for the piriformis muscle. Hold and breathe. Let's stay here for a few more deep breaths. And gently release. Let's do the other side. Cross your left ankle over your right thigh. Again, stay here or reach through and gently pull your right thigh toward you. Notice if one side feels tighter than the other. That's completely normal. Just breathe into that tightness. Don't push into pain. This should feel like a good, releasing stretch. A few more seconds here, and slowly release. Carefully roll onto your side and use your hands to press yourself up to a comfortable seated position. Let's take one final deep breath together. Inhale, reach your arms up overhead, and exhale, bring your hands down. You did it! That was an amazing 12-minute quiet, knee-friendly cardio workout. Thank you so much for joining me today and for taking this time for yourself. I hope you feel energized and proud of what you've accomplished. If you enjoyed this workout, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. I'll see you next time. Bye.